Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. What I have here is some asparagus. It was such a blessing. I went right before Sprouts closed because I know everything is going on, but if you seen my other videos, you know that I like to do bulk cooking. And I always buy things when they're on sale so that I can be able to get a good deal on it. So anyway, I went to Sprouts at around 9:30 p.m. And they had a bunch of asparagus out, so I went and grabbed. And right here, what you see is 15 of them. I don't want to zoom on out, I'm holding it. But there's 15 of them here. There's some to the side as well. But what's nice about it is, especially during these times, instead of it going bad, I don't want it to go bad. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to cut the ends off where the rubber band is. I'm going to go ahead and cut where the rubber band is, roughly around there. I'm going to take maybe around 1.5 inches off of it, and then I'm going to soak it in some vinegar and water. And after I get done doing that, then I'm going to just put it in my dehydrator, and I'm just going to dehydrate it because I want to wash it off. And then after I do that, wash it off, then I'm going to go ahead and just stick it right into my dehydrator. And my plan for this, because we won't be able to go through all of this right now, I like to make powders. So what I'm going to end up doing is I can easily sneak asparagus into all of our foods. Like when I'm cooking soup, stews, ground beef, anything. I'll just stick some of the powders inside of there, and my family can still be getting nutritional stuff, and I'll still be able to take advantage of this great deal. So anyway, I just wanted to, when I'm doing stuff, I always like to bring you guys in and just give ideas. So if this is something you'd like to do, it's a great idea. I got my Excalibur, and I'll let you see it in there. But I'm just going to go ahead and, after I cut off the stem, put it inside of some water, soak it in some vinegar and water solution, then rinse it on off. And then from there, I think instead of sticking it in whole, I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is just chop it up into little pieces. I'll let you see that. But a great deal. They were actually 77 cents a pound. I didn't go in the morning because I didn't want to take away. But I do love to do bulk cooking. So I went after everyone had already cleared out and grabbed all of it. So I went to Sprouts at around 9:30 p.m. They close at 10. And I went ahead and grabbed 15 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and make a powder of it. And it's just so nice because take 15 times 77 cents. That's roughly what it was. That's what I basically paid for, because these are around a pound. But what an awesome deal. What an awesome deal. So we'll be back.